How to connect the system? It's by the Wi-Fi data line. This blue one. You can connect either this. We will connect the data line at this side, and you can let the data line connect with your PC, because we now use our factory lines, so we don't need your blue wire line, but you will use the blue wire line. And this is the power supply connection, please. This is for power supply connection, and we will also connect this those wire lines to the machine body, because we will uninstall the machine. So after received, you will need to connect the those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines, and each line have the labels on inside. We have applied the NC system factory send you one free DSP panel controller for free. Usually it's not included with the machine. It's for extra. You can in charge this USB on the machine on the PC, so the machine could use this DSP. This is the system board. It's NC work. It's only one board. It's connected with your computer by this data line or USB line is also okay. Sorry, this is not a USB. It's a Wi-Fi data line. So this machine system could install on the Win10 PC, because it no need in charge the system board in the PC, and we send you this one for free. Just for your reference, if you like it, you can purchase. This is for free gift for you. This is the T-salt screws we will put in the two box. We have fixed the material, and now to test the first machine for you. This first machine label is, this is the producer serial number. How to connect the voltage power supply is very simple. Just in charge and open the switch. We will send you a NC file software. After you receive this software, you can install on your PC directly. It's very simple. Install it. When you connect the system, please change this Wi-Fi setting. Change it to be auto connection.